I hope I'm recording. Okay. Good day, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good night, any single time of the day. Afternoon. I'm DiceFX, and on today's lesson, I'll be teaching you guys a very specific way for you to get your results when it comes to fundamentals. Any single fundamentals you try and trade, you will actually get it. Like, I'm not kidding, guys. Like, you will actually beat anybody. I don't care if you're having a mentor that has been in the market for more than 15 years who say he's scared of trading fundamentals. On today's particular lesson, I'll be teaching you guys the number one way to trade fundamentals. I've learned it from different mentors. I've learned different strategies from different mentors, and due to trial and error, I finally gotten my own particular way of trading the markets or trading the fundamentals, like trading fundamentals, NFP, CPIs, and stuff like that. So I'm trying to build an audience presently. So putting flashy things online is not what I'm here for. I just want us to go straight to the point in things that we need to do to get to that level that I'm talking about. So guys, this is what I want you to guys to do. Immediately as it's time for fundamentals, if you want to trade NFP, CPI, any of those good stuff, the first thing I want you guys to do, the first step is open another tab on your computer or on your system or your laptop. I don't know if phones can do that, but open another different tab. Like, this is it. This is what I mean. So open another different trading view, another different section of your laptop. Are you getting? Open trading view. This is how my trading view looks like. So open trading view. I know haters will come on and say, "Yeah, upgraded." I don't care, bro. I'm just here to chase the bag. That's straightforward. I don't normally use trading view a lot because I do my analysis on my phone because it's faster that way for me, not you. So now open trading view, just open any other pair. Open any other pair. So let's say for instance, right, we're trading NFP or CPI or something of that nature. You have to put two things in your mind. You have to put some certain things in your mind. So let me go to this part so that you understand what I'm saying. Let me go to set part. If you could look at the market very well, or if you could look at how the pairs are being written, you understand that they are what they call opposite in correlation. I know you guys have heard that word before, but it will still be nice to teach about it. So opposite in correlation, this is euro and this is a USD. Let's say for instance you're trading NFP. You understand? We're trading NFP. So this is the euro, this is USD, and then this is USD JPY. This is how it looks like. This is euro USD, and this is USD JPY. If you could understand a certain, if you could understand and look at this thing basically, yeah, you understand that euro USD and USD JPY, they are two opposite pairs. Now, on euro USD, this particular USD is coming second. This particular USD is coming second. On the euro USD is coming second, and this particular USD is actually first. Sorry guys, this particular USD is actually first, and that particular USD is actually second. So it simply means they are opposite in correlation. They are opposites. Now let me go back to this particular point here. So this is like a 4-hour time frame. I don't normally use the 4-hour time frame, but just for this particular lessons, I want to go to the 4-hour time frame. Now this is USGPY, guys. This is USGPY, and USGPY on the 4-hour time frame. I know it's big, but we'll go down trying to understand something. This is bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Then when you go to Euro USD, you understand that Euro USD is actually opposite in correlation to the USGPY. This is bullish. Sorry, this is bullish. This is bearish. This is bullish. This is bearish. Are you guys understanding? The market actually the market moves in opposite every single time it's time for fundamentals. Every single time it's time for fundamentals, the market moves opposites. This is how the market will start behaving. Then before you get that beautiful big sells or beautiful big buys, the market moves in opposite of those correlations. So the first thing you have to do is open two tabs on your system. It's simple. I don't know how to explain this more. I don't know how to scream on this particular thing. Fundamentals are fundamental is not hard. You're just scared, bro. Open another different tab on it. You will notice that USGPY is bullish and This is bearish. Now this is what happens on that particular day. This will buy and this will sell. Always make sure to check on the opposite pair because of this particular USD. If USD is stronger, if USD is weaker here, USD is stronger here, they will move in opposite correlation. That's just the best way for for it to happen. So let me just give you a simple type of analysis over here so that you just understand. If this is if this is EURUSD and there's this buys over here on EURUSD on the day of NFP, this is not even on the day practically, yeah. This is not even on the day, and it's already showing you sign that they move in opposite correlations, right? They move in opposite correlation, and this is not even the day. This is what happens immediately when that happens. This is what happens, yeah. This is what happens. This is what happens on that particular day. Okay, so this would be the euro. This would be euro USD on that day, and this particular one would be USD JPY on that particular day. They move in opposites. They move in opposites. They move in opposite. I don't know how long I will say this. They move in opposite. This will sell, and this would buy. This is how it works. There is no other fancy way to trade it. This is how it works. You buy this one and you sell the other. There are different strategies to this, but I prefer going to this because it gives me a certain confirmation of the market where the pairs are actually going to. Opposite correlation. Even in your normal trading, I've seen a lot of traders who don't know the meaning of opposite correlation pairs. They just trade the markets, and I don't know if they're collecting signals or what or something of that nature. But just do it like this. It's as easy as this. You go down to your okay, let me make it more easier. You go down to your 15 minutes time frame, or you go down to your 5 minutes time frame, because basically I use the 5 minutes time frame to trade fundamentals. I use my 5 minutes time frame to trade fundamentals. You go down to your 5 minutes, you go down to your 15 minutes, you just understand the opposite correlation of this particular pairs. You understand the opposite correlation of this particular pairs, and that's the only way you trade fundamentals. Do not be deceived by what you're seeing. Mr. A is doing this, Mr. B is doing that. No, bro. Opposite correlation pairs. That's how it works. Now, if you could look very well on the 5 minutes time frame, the SJPY is selling. Then, if you move UUSD is actually bullish. We're having a bullish market on UUSD, and then we're actually having a bearish market on USGPY. This is how it moves, guys. This is how it moves. I'm sorry, guys, because I've been buzzing on you a lot. Oh, you guys are just going down on me. I'm seeing people buying a lot of courses to trade fundamentals. You don't need that. On my next video, I'll be giving you guys an indicator that shows you exactly when to enter and when to get out of the market. 100% strategy. This is 100%. There's no bullshit left or right. This is 100%. So, guys, please, like I said before, like, share, comment, subscribe, any single thing you want. If you want me to help to grow a channel, I could help you with that, because I'm still on that pattern. I'm still on that way trying to grow. Even I know it's harder to go on YouTube or any other platform, but I'm just inspired because I hate lies. I hate seeing gurus just lie to people and tell them, oh, you have to do this, you have to do no, 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 no. We can grow together. We can understand this particular trade together. Like I said, I've been training since 2017, 2018. I have a lot of students, but I've never been on YouTube until I got the idea from one of my students. Like, these gurus, they tell us this, they tell us that. So why don't you come on YouTube and try yours? So this is what I'm here for. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out.